Hey friends, are you ready for sketch number 9 of our DSP Paper Share? Let's go! Today I'm using this sample from the Zoo Crew DSP with all these cute critters on it. We're going to use Pool Party, the DSP, and then basic white and basic black. So first I cut the DSP down to these 4 strips and we're going to use 3 of them and we'll have 1 left over. So you can see I've got the one with a cute koala in it, and then I flipped them over for my 2 3/4 inch pieces. That will be our banners. I also trimmed them down to be 5.5 inches instead of 6. I'm going to stamp the Hooray It's Your Day stamp from the Irresistible Blooms stamp set with the Memento ink on my little die cut circle from Stylish Shapes Dies. Then a little background texture stamping with Pool Party just to break up the whiteness of that label. So here are my pieces ready to create my cards for you. So we've got the 3 pieces of DSP, the 2 labels, and the base sheet. First, I'm going to add 1 strip. It's kind of set in from that front edge, about 1/4 inch maybe. Just give it a little framing and use my liquid adhesive to put that down. Then we need to put down our second piece of framing DSP piece. And look what I did on the top there. See where the arrows are? I slipped the critter piece behind my card, but lined it up where I wanted on top. Just a little guide of where I could put that second strip of the black pattern DSP. Then I just added the critter piece over the top, overlapping those 2 edge pieces, and I'm all set. Now with my dimensionals, I'm going to put my stamp sentiment on my black layer, and then I added dimensionals again behind my basic black piece to pop it up off the card, so it's double popped for this one. And there we go, a simple sketch for this DSP. Could really be for anything you want to celebrate. So here's a quick look at the projects I've shared so far. They're all on my DSP Paper Share Sketch Projects playlist on my YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the projects I share going forward. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'm happy to respond. As you know, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so please shop with me online to support my creative endeavors. When you do, you'll receive a card kit from me with a tutorial as a thank you, something fun for you to put together. You can always find me online at susanwebster.stampinup.net, or you can follow my blog at pumpkinhillstampers.thesearemystamps.com.